Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the chapter 12, exercise 12.1, exponents and power. So in the previous class we completed the question 1 and 2. Now we move on to the question 3. So here the first problem is, I have written here. So how to evaluate this? Find the value of, they have given. So how to evaluate this problem? So first step is, this is 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So first step here is, so we have, that is note, so 1 power anything or 2 power anything is equal to 1. So I also write 1 power 0 is also equal to 1, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So we will apply this here. Therefore 3 power 0 will be 1 plus 4 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. So close the bracket, into 2 square can be written as 4. So now we will cross multiply this. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 square is what? 4. 4, 4 cancel. 4 plus 1 is 5 is the result. So once again I will explain. 3 power 0 is 1. So any number power to 0 will be always equal to 1. So I have written the note here. So here see, 1 power 0 is 1, 2 power 0 is 1. So this will write 1. 4 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. When 4 comes to the denominator, this power becomes plus. So this, there will be power, but 1 is nothing, it is equal to 4 only. Then 2 square remains as it is. Now we will cross multiply this. 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Then 2 square is 4. Cancel these two. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So now next is 2 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 2. So this one, 2 power minus 1 into 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of minus 1, then divided by 2 minus power 2. Therefore 2 minus power 2, multiply these two into 2 into, this can be written as 2 power 2 into minus 1. So divided by 2 power minus 2. Now next 2 power, since these are base is common, we can take like this, or I will just write one more step. 2 power minus 1 into, multiply this, 2 into 2 power minus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2. After this, since the bases are common here, we can write as 2 as common, then take this power, that is minus 1 minus 2. So powers are different, divided by 2 minus power 2. Therefore next is add these two. Minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3 divided by 2 power minus 2. Now I'll write this side here. We'll continue here. Now how much? That is 2 power minus 3 divided by 2 power minus 2. Therefore we'll take these two now numerator. Therefore 1 by 2, when it comes to numerator, the power becomes plus. 2 power, this remains as it is, this bring down into, so into this one is 2 power 3. So therefore 1 by, you should be careful with the signs. So here 2 power 2 remains as it is. Since the base is common, we'll take 2, then minus 2, then this is plus 3. minus 2 plus 3 is equal to, therefore 1 by minus 2 plus 3 will become 1. Therefore 2 power 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is the solution. So once again I will explain. This is 2 power minus 1 remains as it is. 4 minus 1 can be written as 2 square to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 2. Now this can be written as 2 into minus 1. See here, 2 power minus 1 remains as it is. This one multiply this powers and write minus 2, and next is this base is common, write 2, then powers will become minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Again this, add this with minus sign, then we get 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 2. Bring this 2 power minus 3 down, then this negative becomes positive. Then again in the denominator base is common, that is 2, then add these 2, minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 and plus 3 we get 1. So 1 by 2 is 1. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. So this is the answer is 1 by 2 or off. The third problem is 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So first step is bring this minus 2 inside the bracket. So how is possible? Minus 1 to power of 1, 2 power minus 2 plus all this same procedure, minus 1 power minus 2, 3 power minus 2 plus 1 power minus 2, 4 power minus 2. Now interchange this, bring numerator to the denominator, denominator to the numerator. Same thing for all. So that's why I have shown this in the arrow mark. Bring numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now what happens? 2 when it goes, 2 minus power 2 goes, this become 2 square. When 1 minus power 2 will become 1 square. Similarly this one, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Since there is all minus power, so we will get only plus here. So this becomes 3 square, this becomes 1 square. Then this becomes 4 square, this becomes 1 square. So after this what we get? Write down 2 square is 4 by 1, 3 square is 9 by 1 plus 16 by 1. So therefore we have, that is 4 plus 9 plus 16. Add all this, we'll get how much? This 20, 29 is the answer. Only simple thing is first bring minus 2 inside the bracket and write for all. So next is make numerator denominator, bring numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, then all the minus will becomes plus. So now we got this, add this, finally we get 29. So fourth problem is, so 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 plus 5 power minus 1 to the power of 0. So here first what we will do, bring this minus 3 power to the denominator. This will becomes 1 by 3. This also same thing, 1 by 4, then 1 by 5. So minus becomes plus when it comes to the denominator. So to the power of 0. Now take the LCM. So how to take the LCM? 3, 4, 5, take this. So 3 is again 1, 4, 5, again 4 you take 1, 1, 5, again 5 we take 1, 1, 1. So multiply all this, we get 60. That is 3 into 4 into 5 is 60. So how to find the LCM? First take this part, that is 1 by 3 will take 60 into 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 20s. First we got 20. So next part, what is there? 1 by 4. Therefore 60 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are how much? 4 15s. Therefore we get 15. So we'll write here. Next is 1 by 5. So 60 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 20. Yeah, 12s are. 5 12s are. Is equal to 12. So add all this. Add this. So 20 plus 15 plus 12 we are getting, divided by 60. So to the power of how much? 0 is there. So now add all the numerator, we get 47. Therefore 60 to the power 0. So anything power to 0, what we get? 1. So anything like this. I have written this note. In the first problem only I wrote, I think. Note that is anything power to 0 is equal to 1. Anything. It may be 2. This will be the result. So we have here fraction that is 47 by 60 to the power of 0 will become 1. So this is the solution for this. Be carefully write down this problem and then make this minus 2 the denominator, then the minus sign becomes positive. So 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Take the denominator, you've calculated each step here, just write down this here, then we got the LCM. Add this, we have, since we have power 0 here, so the answer will always become any number, it may be any number to the power of 0, will get the answer as 1. So 12, we finished fourth one. We move on to the fifth problem. Fifth problem they have given as minus 2 by 3 to whole power minus 2, then again whole power 2. So for this, so we should be very careful by taking these brackets or removing these brackets. So first what we'll do, we'll take the outer bracket. So we'll write minus 2 by 3 as it is. To the power of minus 2 is there. So bring this inside the bracket, then this bracket goes. Into 2 will take. First remove these brackets. So 1 by 1, first outer bracket should be removed first. Then after this, write down minus 2 by 3, multiply these two, we get minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So next step, so here we got minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 4. Now bring this power inside the bracket. When we bring the power, we get minus 2 to the power of minus 4, then 3 to the power of minus 4. So after this, what we have to make? We have to take numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. So after this, I'll get 3 will become 3 to 3 goes to 3 power minus 4 goes to the numerator. This become 3 power 4. Then this comes to the denominator, means minus 2 will not change. When it comes to the denominator, only the power will change, will become plus 4. So what happens now here? 3. So 3, how many 3's we get? So here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. I'll just expand and writing, because I'll tell you why. Minus 2 into minus 2 will always become plus 4 into minus 2 into minus 2. So these things when we multiply will get plus 4. These two we multiply will get, since minus into minus will become plus. So 4 into 4 we'll get. So that's why I expand and written. So multiply all this, we'll get the numerator 81, 3 4 times. Then we get 2 square into 2 square, or 4 into 4 we can write. Therefore 81 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 81 by 16 is the answer. So firstly what we have to do, we have 3 brackets or 2 brackets here. First remove the outer bracket, then bring 2 inside, then multiply these 2, then this remains as it is, then it will become minus 4. After this bring multiply these 2 minus 4, then bring this to each number, therefore to numerator and denominator. Bring inside the bracket, then this 4 will come to both numerator and the denominator. After this make numerator denominator, denominator to numerator. So bring this to denominator, bring this to numerator. Then these positive negative powers becomes positive, positive become negative. But the number here the sign will not change. So don't get confused. Here it will not change. So it will be as it is. Only the power signs will change. After this we get positive here, so split and write. Next here minus remains as it is. To make this positive, we'll split this number into 2 power 4 like this. So when minus into minus will be multiplied, it will become plus. So minus into minus plus. So we'll get 2 square or 4 into 4 will get. So the numerator will become 81, the denominator will become 60. This is the answer. This completes the question 3. Now we move on to the question 4. Question 4 is minus 8 power 1 into 5 cube by 2 power minus 4. First is split this 8 into 2 cube. 8 becomes 2 cube to the power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 minus 4. After this multiply these 2, that is 2 into minus 1 into 5 cube by 2 to the power of minus 4. So after this multiply what we get, 2 into minus 1 will become 2 into minus 3 into 5 cube by 2 to the power of minus 4. So now make numerator denominator, denominator to numerator. What happens? This becomes this, when it goes to numerator it becomes 2 power 4. When this comes to the denominator it will become 2 cube into 5 cube. Cancel these powers, 4 get cancels with 3, so 2 remains into 5 cube. Therefore 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 will become 250. This is the answer. So the problem here is, split this 8 minus power 1 to 2 cube, then the whole power into 5 cube. So multiply these two, will get 3 minus 2 to the power of minus 3 into 5 cube by 2 the power of minus 4. This, bring this to the denominator, bring this to the numerator. All negative signs becomes positives. So cancel these powers, we'll get 3 cancel, 1 remaining and 5 cube is there. Multiply all, we get 250 as the answer. So in the question 4 we have second problem here. So directly I'll write this as 1 by 5 into, that is 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5, 2 power minus 1 can be written by 1 by 2 into 6 power minus 1 can be written as 6. Same thing, we can, no need of taking LCM, directly multiply. That is 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 will become 1 by 10, that is 5 into 2 1, 1 into 1 1 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1 into 1 numerator 10 into 6 is 60. This is the answer. So directly write this one. 5 minus power 1 can be written as 1 by 5. 2 minus power 1 can be written as 1 by 2. 6 minus power 1 can be written as 1 by 6. So multiply these two directly. No need of taking LCM here. Since this is multiplication only, the LCM is possible when its sign is plus or minus. So this multiply these two. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. So similarly this one again 1 into 1, 1. 10 into 6, 60. So this completes the fourth problem. We move on to the sixth. Here find the value of m for which the question is find the value of m this one I have repeated this. So find the value of 1 for which, so this is the problem, 5m divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. We have to find the value of m here. See this one we have to find out. This is the fifth question. So for this the first step is write 5m as it is. 5m as it is. Then divided by 5 minus 3 they have given, which is equal to 5 power 5. Now bring this to the numerator. So 5m into, so since it is minus this will becomes plus, 5 power 3 is equal to 5. So after this we can take base as common 5, then m becomes, this becomes, power becomes m plus 3, which is equal to 5. Since all the bases are common, we can cancel this and take only the powers. So m plus 3 is equal to 5. So after this, so m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 is the answer. This is very simple, just we have to be careful while solving. So this is the problem given. Find the value of m for which 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So write 5 power m as it is and write down, since there is a division sign, write down this 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. So 5m, then this, take this 5 power minus 3 to the numerator, then this minus becomes plus is equal to 5 power 5. After this, since the bases are common here, we can take 5 power m plus, this becomes, this powers becomes m plus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. After this, since bases are common, cancel this, take only the power. So m plus 3 is equal to 5. So m is equal to, bring this 3 to the other side, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Finally, therefore, m is equal to 2 is the answer. So this completes the fifth problem. If you have any doubts, comment me, share and like all the videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.